Webullar review and tutorial.
Hello and welcome back to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Webullar. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. We are going to discuss an incredible tool that has the potential to completely transform your presence on the internet. Webullar is the name of the fully automated and AI-driven online presence platform that has been developed. With Webullar, you can create a whole new website as well as posts for social media in just 30 seconds. What? You don't believe that? Let's jump right in and explore its different features, shall we? Before we get started, I just wanted to remind you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you can always be up to date with our most recent videos. Webullar provides a wide variety of amazing features that can help you save time and money while also reducing the amount of stress you experience. Take a closer look at it, shall we? To begin, here's how to get a website up and running and in under a minute. Put an end to spending thousands of dollars and struggling through weeks of frustration on the development of your website. By using your mobile device and the Webullar, you can quickly and easily create a website that is uniquely yours in just 30 seconds. Then increase your presence on social media. Are you having a hard time staying on top of the posts on social media? You don't need to worry about anything with Webullar. It has the ability to generate an unlimited number of social media posts, complete with captivating copy and creatives that grab the attention of viewers. You will have an easier time increasing the amount of activity you put into social media and turn potential customers into clients. Webullar makes it incredibly easy to keep track of your customers and leads while you're on the go. Managing all of your interactions with customers can be accomplished with ease using just your phone. No more lost opportunities or leads. Let's move on and talk about the features of Webullar. The steps are as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you should begin by writing a brief sentence that summarizes your business. Webullar will be better able to understand your needs and preferences with this information. Second, wait 30 seconds. While Webullar's magic is working in the background, please take a moment, relax with a cup of your favorite coffee, and enjoy the moment. Your website and the posts you want to publish on social media will be prepared to be released in just a few seconds. And finally, go online. That's all there is to it. The viewers can now access both your brand new website and the unique content you posted to your social media platforms. It has never been simpler to establish a presence for yourself online. Let's talk about how much these costs. Webullar provides you with a variety of flexible plan choices that suit your personal needs. And what about the best part? You're free to try any paid plan risk-free for a full 2 weeks before making a decision. Before the end of your trial period, you have the choice to change or cancel your plan at any time. These are the available plans. Starter Plan. Starting at just $19.99 per month, this plan includes a website in one language, up to 10 website pages, basic website analytics, social media posts, and much more. Pro Plan. For those looking to build a great online presence, the Pro Plan starts at $39.99 per month. It offers a website in 2 languages, unlimited website pages, advanced website analytics, and more social media posts. Advanced Plan. If you are ready to take your online presence to the next level, the Advanced Plan is for you. Starting at $79 per month, it includes a website in 6 languages, unlimited website pages, advanced analytics, and even more social media posts. Using Webullar, You can adjust the appearance of your website by changing the user-friendly building blocks that are provided. You have complete control over everything, including the text, images, buttons, and layout of the entire page. You also don't need to worry about finding images or copywriting for your website. The artificial intelligence that powers Webullar is able to copyright on your best interests, and it even integrates with Unsplash to make available royalty-free stock photos. Webullar will handle all of the technical aspects for you, including setting up your domain, ensuring its security, and filing it to Google for indexing. You are free to concentrate on expanding your online presence instead of worrying about the features at the back end. Webullar assists you in increasing the amount of traffic that comes to your website through the use of various social media platforms once your website is up and running. You'll be able to generate interesting content for social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn with the help of this AI-powered social media post generator. And what about the best part? It is able to generate new posts on a regular basis, allowing you to keep your content schedule flowing smoothly. With Webullar's built-in CRM, keeping track of your leads and customers is a piece of cake. You are able to create custom fields to store all of the essential information regarding your customers, allowing you to make data-driven choices when needed. It is the same as carrying around a personal assistant in your back pocket. And let's not forget about newsletters. You are able to send newsletters that have been written by AI and are full of content. It has been auto-suggested by Webullar's newsletter tool. You can use a centralized platform to keep your subscribers up to date on the latest important news, as well as deals, offers, and other relevant information on your website and social media. You will now be able to get a full night's rest while using Webullar to create your online presence in the crack of dawn. It is the most advanced automation tool that you could possibly need for your online business. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to use Webullar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a like, subscribe, and please turn on the notifications so you can be updated whenever we upload our latest videos. Once again, thank you for watching.